Hello and welcome to Master Jacko. In this video we're going to calculate the area of a trapezium using this formula. I have 3 questions for you. Okay, so what does each part mean? A and B refers to the parallel sides. These sides here. The H is the height of the trapezium and it's just dividing it by 2. So all we do is 4 plus 10. That refers to A and B. They are the parallel sides. Sides that never meet, that have the same gradient. So 4 plus 10. We times it by the height, which is 3. Then we divide all that by 2. And after doing that, 4 plus 10 is 14. Times by 3 is 42. Then divide that by 2. So your answer equals 21 centimetres squared. That's the answer for question A. Right, B. Process is exactly the same. We've just got to be careful. It's in third this time. So 10 and 15 are your parallel sides. So you're doing 10 plus 15, and that's brackets. Remember bid maths, you do brackets first, multiplied by 4, divided by 2. 10 plus 15, 25, times by 4 is 100, so 100 divided by 2 equals 50 centimetres squared. Right, this third one, slightly different. You are given the area and you're working backwards. It's that next little step or that extra bit of challenge. So the process stays the same. It's 12 plus 8 in our brackets. However, we don't know the height, so just times by something with the height divided by 2. But this time, all this equals 80 as we're given the area. So this time working backwards, we said dividing by 2. We do the inverse, which is multiplying by 2, so we times 80 by 2. So then we're left with, well, 12 plus 8, I'll just put that there, is 20 times something, which equals 160. And then all you do, 20 multiplied by something equals 160. The opposite of multiplying by 20, the inverse is dividing by 20. So 160 divided by 20, x equals 8. And that is 8 centimetres this time because it's the height, not the area. Okay, so this is area of a trapezium. I've shown you how to use the formula to calculate the area of a trapezium. This has been Master Jacko. I would recommend watching this video as a big skill that will really help you in the maths exam, and it's a must-have skill. This is Master Jacko. Take care, and I'll see you next time.